Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2023 Chevy Bolt. On this vehicle, I'm going to show you where you find your VIN number locations. There's 3 on here. There could be more, but there's 3 to be able to compare them. Our main one is the one that's right here at the bottom of the door, or the bottom of what we call the A-pillar. This one gives you the main information on the vehicle, like where it was made, the vehicle weight, and the tires sizing that comes with it, right? So then we also have, that's our VIN number right there at the 1G, 1FY, on all that total number, type of car, passenger, and a model number there. We have a barcode to be able to scan more information if we need to also. So that's the one that's on the A-pillar. And we have our second VIN number location, which is at the bottom of the window above, basically on the firewall, to compare this with the other one that's on the door. Those are the main 2, and then some vehicles have more, and so that you can compare more of them. And then you can tell sometimes if you have extra parts on the vehicle, slash that they've replaced different fenders, different hood, you name it. This one has one more that's easy to see. Like I said, there could be more amongst the vehicle, but here's your main 2, and I'll show you one more. And so here we also have information. This is on the top of the hood. This hood has got a little bit of a bend in it, but on their hood, it's giving you the regulations of, engine size and whatnot, but this is all electric. So of course it meets all of the emissions qualities. And then right here we have our VIN number there, the 1G, 1FY, which will match all the other 2 VIN numbers that we have found on this vehicle. Again, so you can compare those with your other locations and know that you have a vehicle that has not been altered in any way. So that's your VIN number locations on your Chevy Bolt of a 2023. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.